Hi everybody, a real short video today just to tell you why it's important to noodle around with your instrument. So I can tell how many songs or melodies I discovered linked to existing songs I knew for a long time, but I didn't know I was playing the melody or the bass line or even the vocal melody of those songs. So it's really important if you are noticing you are hitting something, it's like just doing something. And only this reminds me to a song, I don't know which one, it's from the early 60s, 70s, a girl, a band, like the leader of the pack, or something like this. Those genre, and one of those songs has actually an intro that starts with. And if you're over 40 or 50, you probably notice something familiar into this. And I was just sitting, excuse me, downstairs at the piano, but I have an amplifier because the internal speakers are not working, and the amplifier has issues with, how do they say this? Not wet, but it's in the air, fluid. So the amp didn't work, and I was taking the bass and I was starting without any backing track because it's upstairs. And yeah, it had something familiar. Earlier today I was doing and I was thinking about Johnny Cash. Yeah, I had some Johnny Cash feeling. So, and it reminds me of a song of Johnny Cash. And if you want to expand on this, you can say, oh, this A, E, A, D, G. So D is an E. Open G, E, G, A. So I was exploring these ones, E, G, A, open E, third fret. You can do it here, E. So if this is A, this must be G. And you can do it anywhere. If you looked at my earlier video how to find easily your notes, you know if this is a G, this is a G too. If this is an A, this is an A too. If this is your B, this is your B too. If you want to go from down to up, from high notes to the low notes, or from the low notes to the high notes. And if watch the other video, if you just starting out and you want to know your fretboard fast or find your notes fast, it's easy. Just go back to that video. It's one of my better videos, I must say. I'm very proud of that one. Or I was listening to Evil is Going On, Luther Allison. Something like this. Even it's not that I right key of the original song, if you are playing those melodies, it's just so fun. It's very nice, and you will feel some sort of accomplishment even, because you're finding this without any help on your note, on your own. And if you are analyzing the notes, you can do it anywhere on your fretboard if you know the fretboard, and then you will notice, oh, those other songs I know are also based on this pattern, but it's just played slightly different. And that's what makes bass, guitar, piano, whatever instrument so much fun. And you can have so many variations on the same stuff, on the same pattern, on the same melody. It's just something new to explore, even it's the same, and it's just wonderful. Thank you. Up until the next one.